Welcome back to Overheat, the exterior of the Newmar Dutch Star 2026. Revised design, for more visual choices are probably going to be added to the outside. Most likely, a Morryde tailgate will be included as standard, providing safer and simpler access. Previously optional, hidden docking lights may also become standard. Windows and awnings, for improved privacy and insulation. Newmar is probably going to keep using frameless double-glazed windows and Girard G2000 side awnings with wind sensors, remote control, and LED lights. Interior, multiplex lighting, and Newmar's total comfort system will make controlling the motorhome's features simple. A centralized touch command center, a Bose soundbar, a Wi-Fi booster, and many Samsung TVs will be available for entertainment. A typical 3000W Victron Multiplus inverter and a surge-protected transfer switch are probably important additions. There might also be a 120W Merlin solar panel that is more effective. The new center console has a charging station, and the chairs and sofas are ergonomically constructed. Kitchen, a convection microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and an effective induction cooktop. Bedroom, and LED TV and a luxurious pillow-top king bed are characteristics of the back suite. Entertainment system. The in-dash radio is no longer audible from the external entertainment center. Nonetheless, the interior features a 1800 Harman JBL sound system with a subwoofer in the cockpit, two Samsung TVs, and a Bose soundbar. Connectivity features include a Wi-Fi booster and an in-dash wireless charger, lighting and controls, the total comfort system, and Newmar Multiplex lighting, which now has touchscreens installed throughout the car. Make it simple to operate the amenities of the vehicle. It is now commonplace to have a 360-degree HD camera system. The Merlin 1200 solar panel option is more effective. A Cummins diesel engine producing 450 horsepower and 1,250 pounds-ft of torque powers the Newmar Dutch Star 2026.